Hi, I'm Connie Reagan Green. Are you taking time throughout each day and perhaps a full day each week to be unplugged? I do this and it works very well for me. During that time that I don't have a computer or a television or anything, internet, nothing on, then I'm able to think and plan and organize and write. And I'm extremely productive because of this. Plus, I stay very calm 99% of the time. So I'd love to hear from you. Find me on Twitter, I'm Connie Green, or connect with me at ConnieReaganGreen.com. Reagan is R-A-G-E-N. I'd love to talk to you about being more productive and having just a much better quality of life by taking that time away from anything that has to be plugged in or charged up.